Yo, what's up? This is Vince here in Southern California. Welcome to my channel.
Doing it all for the thrill. I'm doing it all for the thrill. I'm doing it all for the thrill. You know I'm loving it like you was real.
Bike check, bike check.
Owner right there, his name is Rafi.
Rafi, yeah, new bike, specialized. Okay.
Got an Eagle drivetrain NX. The bike is actually a specialized enduro comp. It's got a fusion dropper post, 125 mil, right? NX crank set. Shocks are super deluxe rock shocks.
Wow.
The bike travel is 165. Again, the SWAT.
Oh yes, SWAT.
That's the
You
cool part. Look at that.
sweet. There you go. You
That
can
is
hide all your stuff there, huh?
It's got Roval, you know, I guess it's their
Boost,
standard
what's the
Roval
size?
rims. That's a Boost 110.
And the rear is Boost 148.
Yes.
Yeah, has the Roval wheel set. Yeah, 780,
780.
780. Specialized.
Specialized, and then it's got the SWAT where you put it
Whoa.
inside there.
I didn't know that too. Wow.
Which is pretty cool. And then also Lyric. I think this is the RC. Yeah, RC with the Charger 2.1 damper, 170 mil fork, tram code brakes, and your NX shifter. It's a 29er. It's a size S2, which is I think small.
Pretty
That
good.
pretty much sums up everything. It's a great
Pretty
bike,
nice
really
bike,
plush
you know.
bike. It feels really good.
Yeah,
You
let me.
could pretty much monster truck over everything.
Yeah,
Very nice bike.
yeah. Really might be my next bike. In my dream. Tama na rin kayo. Ito, laki oh. Raptor ba to? Oh yeah. Pogi-pogi, terno pati bike oh. Black, no? Ayos. O sige.